Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to convert Google Docs to Word. First, open your Google Docs file in your web browser. Next, locate the File menu at the top left of your screen. From the drop-down options, hover over Download and then select Microsoft Word, DocX. Your document will then automatically download to your computer, ready for use in Microsoft Word. This process is quick and straightforward, taking only a few clicks. Once you have your document, opening it in Microsoft Word is simple. Launch Microsoft Word on your computer. Navigate to the File tab, then choose Open. Browse through your computer's folders to find the downloaded DocX file. Select it and click Open. Word will then display your document, allowing you to edit, format, and save it as a standard Word file. This method ensures full compatibility with Word's features. For quick conversions, online tools are a great option. Simply search for Online Document Converter in your preferred web browser. Many free services allow you to upload your file, choose Word or DocX as the output format, and then download the converted document. Remember to check the file size limits, which are often around 50 megabytes, and always use reputable websites for security. It's a convenient solution for one-off conversions. After converting, it's crucial to review your document. Always check the formatting, as sometimes fonts, images, or layouts might shift slightly. If using online tools, be mindful of your privacy and the security of your data. Ensure all elements, like tables and charts, have transferred correctly. Finally, remember to save your newly converted Word document regularly to prevent any loss of work. These steps ensure a smooth and accurate conversion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.